Today, we're making soft and chewy lemon mochi with a creamy center. These little desserts are sweet, citrusy, and incredibly satisfying to bite into. Let's get started. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need glutinous rice flour, sugar, milk, fresh lemon juice, lemon zest, and a little yellow food coloring. For the filling, we'll use cream cheese. In a bowl, combine the glutinous rice flour, sugar, milk, fresh lemon juice, and lemon zest. Add a few drops of yellow food coloring if you like. Whisk everything together until the mixture becomes smooth and lump-free. Now, cook the batter on low heat while stirring constantly. Keep mixing until the batter thickens and transforms into a glossy, stretchy dough. This is what gives mochi its signature chewy texture. Next, roll small portions of cream cheese into little balls. These will be the creamy surprise inside our mochi. Dust your hands lightly with cornstarch to prevent sticking. Take a small piece of warm mochi dough and gently flatten it into a round disc. Place a cream cheese ball in the center of the dough. Carefully wrap the mochi around the filling. Pinch the edges closed and roll it gently in your hands until you get a smooth, round ball. To get the perfect dome shape, place each mochi ball into a silicone mold or tray. Let them rest so they hold their shape. And that's it, soft, chewy lemon mochi with a creamy center. Bright, sweet, and absolutely delicious. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple and satisfying desserts. Like, comment, and subscribe for more educational videos.